All right, so we're doing websec.fr level 1. Let's go ahead and get to it. So this seems pretty simple. You just kind of enter a user ID and returns the ID and the username. So if you give it a 3, okay. So one thing we can try to do, we are provided the source code right here. And we do know that, yeah, okay. And it is SQLite. So the comments do look something like that. So one thing we can do is, let's see if this a real quick union select works. And then let's add comments at the end. Okay, so it doesn't, but it shows it doesn't have the same number of result columns. So let's go ahead and try that again. Use 2 columns. Cool. So we know a union select works with 2 columns. Now next we can do is we can get the tables through this. So we're selecting 1 just to kind of pad it because we do need 2 columns. And then SQL, which should, since we're taking it from SQLite master, should return the tables. There we go. Users. Cool. And we know that users has the values username and password. So since we do need 2 columns anyways, we can just take both. So next we can do something like username password from users. Let's see what this gives us. Ooh, not much. Okay. Let's see, did I type it in wrong? Let's try without the comments. No, nothing. Okay. Let's look at it again. Username, password. Okay. Now it seems like that should work, right? What if we were to not actually have a valid ID? So maybe let's give it something like that. And then we do union select. Let's try this. Now we're onto something. Okay. So let's go ahead and I'll just always feed it some sort of negative value so it doesn't have a valid ID. And this gives us example user and example user password. So next we should cycle through and really try to see if the example password does have the flag in it. So let's see if this works. And it does. So there you have it. That's the flag. Let's put it in. Did it do anything? Oh yeah, it did. All right, there you go.